Alright, I got this camera teed up. I'm trying to capture this osprey. One is flying around hunting, the other one is up in this tree. It is massive. I'm pretty sure it's an osprey. I hope it doesn't take off, bro, because I wanna try and get close to it. It's huge. Can you see it yet? Bro, it's huge. No, don't fly away. What is that? It's gotta be an osprey. Where is it? Oh, there it goes. Shit. It might be an eagle. It's an eagle. Oh shit, that was a bald eagle. Wow. I ain't mad at it. I was wondering how it was so big. I mean, osprey get big, but that thing was cock diesel. The other one is flying around. The other one took off. That's where it was, up in that tree. It was massive.